Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. It's Columbus Day. Is that how you say it? Columbus? I was kind of not sure if the kids had school. Then I looked online and nothing came home on Friday saying that they didn't have school. So yeah, today is Monday. And I don't know. I just put some stuff together because I didn't go grocery shopping. So yeah. So let's start with Destiny. This is Destiny. This is Jackson. Miss Destiny is going to have some vanilla Greek yogurt, and she's gonna have it with some granola. She's gonna be having a one of these, what is this, fruit and grain cereal bar, and this is the apple cinnamon kind. So she's gonna have that, and then she's having a uncrustable. She's gonna have a uncrustable in the peanut butter and grape jelly sandwich, and that's frozen. She has some sugar snap peas with some ranch dressing. These are some wheat thins, and these are just regular crackers that I just slapped some peanut butter on, you know, just to give her a variety of food. If she doesn't want to eat any of this, she has that. So yeah, who knows if the child is going to eat any of this stuff, but we shall see. Destiny usually do good with her food. So she's gonna have a juicy juice splasher, and this is in tropical twist. Mr. Jackson is going to have the same. He's gonna have some peanut butter cracker and some wheat thins, yogurt with granola, sugar snap pea. He has his ranch dressing here. He has the same granola bar, Uncrustable. He's having juicy juice splashers in the fruit punch flavor, and of course he has his water. So I'll see you guys after school today. Okay guys, so it's after school on Monday. Let's see what Destiny ate. She didn't eat her sugar snap pea. Came back in its entirety. So she ate the, what was in here? I don't know, whatever it was this morning. She didn't eat the yogurt at all. Okay, nice. She didn't eat anything. Okay, we need to talk. Jackson water is gone. Good job, Gio. His juice is gone. His granola bar is gone. Yogurt and snap peas is still here. Everything else is gone, whatever that was. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today is what, Tuesday? Yes, Tuesday, and this is what I came up with. I'm out of fruits. I'm out of fruits and veggie. And correction, someone told me that this is not called Fruit Loop. This is called Fruit by the Foot. I don't care what you call it. I call it what I want to call it. So this is Fruit Loop. Okay, so my son is going to have a Fruit Loop. If you have a problem with that, then don't watch the video. Anyways, that's not even my son. Okay, this is Destiny's side. So they're gonna have breakfast for lunch, and it's not even, yeah. So Destiny is gonna have 2 waffles cut up in her thermos, and she's gonna have her syrup to go with that. She has a juicy juice splashers here, so that's that, and she has her water. For snack, their grandparents, well, her grandmother brought banana bread, and this is gluten-free, sugar-free banana bread, and she's gonna have it with some good thins. These are garlic and herb. It's chickpea, the chickpea one, something, I don't know. She's gonna have a Fruit Loop. Okay, Fruit Loop, correct name is on the label for those that wants to be, you know, politically correct. Okay, so we're gonna have a chewy dip something thingy, majigga, you get it. Jaxson is going to have, his thermos is not as wide as Destiny, so I put his in this container. Hold on. So his is in this little bowl, and he has his syrup to go with it. He has his juicy juice splashers. He's having the same banana bread, the chickpea things, chewy dip bar, and this is I don't even know if, oh, this is a fruit roll-ups. So that's what they're having. So I'll see you guys after school. Okay guys, so it's after school on Tuesday. Ileana drank all her water. Destiny, Ileana, the same thing. I don't know what's going on here. What is this? Oh, she didn't eat the thing. She ate the cracker. No, don't open it. Pancakes are gone. I don't know what else was in there. Jaxson, his water is gone. Okay, so can I finish that? Let's see. Oh, you eat the banana bread. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys. So today is Wednesday. So we have 2 extra things over here, and that's because my older boys, the twins, have been, you know, complaining that they're hungry, and I just wanted to send a little bit of extra food with them, even though they don't really want packed lunch. So I told them I could send a snack with them. So that's what this is. So this is a sugar-free Jello, and one has cracker and cheese, and the other one has peanut butter cracker. Destiny and Jaxson. So this is Destiny. So let's see where we're gonna start. The bread, peanut butter, and peanut butter, just peanut butter sandwich. Cucumber ranch, fruit by the loop, fruit by the foot, who cares, peaches cut up, because I noticed that when I send the whole fruit with her, she don't eat the whole thing. So we have cut up peaches right here, some ranch for her, cucumber. These are the chickpea cracker. What are they? They're not wheat thins, they're some kind of thins. For snacks, she has a granola bar, a sugar-free pudding, and a juicy juice splashers. Jaxson is having the same, oh yeah, this one, chickpea good thins. Jackson's having the same thing, so he's having a peanut butter sandwich. This is fruit by the foot. I ordered him another container, but it's blue, so I'm gonna keep this color for Maddie and give him the blue one. He doesn't have a problem, it's just I don't know. You like this one? Okay, we can keep it. We can rotate them. This is I hate touching this food. This is cucumber. We have ranch over here, some peaches, cracker, sugar-free. This is a cereal bar, fruit grain cereal bar, and this is juicy juice splasher. So I'll see you guys after school today. So it's after school on Wednesday. Jordan brought back his bag. He finished all his snack. This is Jackson's. He ate his pudding, his granola bar, and his juice. This container always so tricky.
It is.
It's not tricky. I got it, buddy. I got it. Okay, so he ate his peanut butter. What was here? Whatever was here.
Oh, cucumbers.
Cucumbers. He had some of his ranch. High five. That's what I'm talking about. Trying new stuff. He didn't eat his cracker, and he didn't eat his fruit. Here, finish that.
Yes.
Jason finished his snack. Good boy. Brought my spoon back. Destiny finished her. She has a little bit of water. She had her pudding. She had her pudding, her granola bar.
Huh?
Oh wow, Destiny did well. She ate her sandwich, cucumber, whatever that was. Whatever that was. Good job, Destiny. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday. Let's start with the boys. They're gonna have some chocolate pudding that I made this morning. This is Jordan, so he requested a chewy dip granola situation. So that's gonna go in that bag, and Jason chose a cracker and of course his pudding. So that's their snack. Destiny is having some mac and cheese in her thermos. She's gonna have a cracker, a string cheese, some pudding, and a juicy splasher fruit punch, and she has her water. They all have their water. This is pudding, cheese, chewy dip bar. This I already opened for Jackson because I know he's gonna struggle. He came home the other day. He's like, "Mommy, did you open my string cheese?" I was like, "Yes." It's like, "Oh." And then he's gonna have some mac and cheese with his juice. So I'll see you guys after school.
So it's after school. So we'll start with my ate all my pudding. Open. I could like it. I opened all of my mac and cheese. So Jackson ate his pudding. Some of his mac and cheese. He ate his juice and his string cheese, and that's it, right? And then that's it. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. I am so excited because it's Friday. I love Fridays. I don't know about you guys, but I love Friday. But anyways, this is what I came up with for the kids. So this is Miss Destiny over here. She's gonna have this is going to be turkey with Caesar dressing, because I ran out of mayo and she loves Caesar dressing, so I just put some Caesar dressing on there. And this is this guy right here, the chickpea. So I have those. I have a fruit roll up, or whatever that is. I'll show you guys when I do the boy snack. Pineapple tidbits. I just realized that these weren't finished, so I had to finish them out. Those are pretzel bites with peanut butter. We still have a bunch of these juicy juice splashers, so I'm trying to get rid of them. Jackson has some peanut butter because I ran out of turkey, so he's gonna have peanut butter. And this is the same cracker as his sister. This is a fruit roll up, pretzel bite with peanut butter, pineapple tidbits, and a juicy juice splashers. The boys, the twins, they're 10, so they're just gonna have a snack. So the same cracker, a fruit roll up, and the same thing for Jordan. So I'll see you guys after school. Hi guys, so today is Friday after school. The boys had their snack. Jackson, let's see what he ate. I ordered the right color for him, so that should be coming sometime next week. He finished his pineapple, his cracker, pretzel, and he didn't finish his sandwich. And he had his fruit roll up, so he did good. Gotta keep continuing packing light for him because he's not Miss Destiny. Let's see. Good job. Look at that. All gone. Good job. So I'll see you guys. Thank you guys so much. I can't say see you guys. Oh, next week. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for more future videos. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.